Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix Wi-Fi not working after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS and you are facing a problem that your Wi-Fi is not working, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then go back, and here you have to just simply tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown, and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on Wi-Fi, turn off this toggle and turn it on and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on that warning button from here, and then you have to just simply copy the password from here, and after that you have to just simply forget this network and turn this toggle off, and then you have to just simply turn it on again and reconnect the Wi-Fi, and after that check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply scroll down and here tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction and make sure that the toggle should be turned off. If it is turned on, then you have to just simply turn it off, and then you have to just simply go back, and here you can see this. So simply tap on general, scroll down and here tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.